Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with Terraform tutorial, and in this video we are going to discuss about Terraform Taint. Okay, so suppose you have created a new resource via Terraform and user have made a lot of manual changes inside the infrastructure and inside the server as well. Okay, so two ways to deal with this: import changes into the Terraform and either delete and recreate the resource. Okay, so as you can see here, we have set of users that are performing manual changes in the Terraform managed resources. Okay, so recreating the resource -replace option with the Terraform applied to force Terraform to replace an object even though there are no configuration changes that would require it. Okay, so whenever you use Terraform apply -replace, okay, so what Terraform will do, Terraform will recreate, first it will destroy the resource and then it will create the new resource with the same configuration. Okay, even though that there are no configuration change have been defined in your Terraform configuration file. Okay, so similar kind of functionality was achieved using the Terraform Taint command in older version of Terraform. For Terraform version 0.15.2 and later HashiCorp recommend to using the -replace option with the Terraform apply command. Okay, so this is the main use case of Terraform Taint, and now we have to use -replace with the Terraform version 0.15.2 and the later on version. Terraform Taint is not supported in the this like greater version than this and in this version as well. Okay, so suppose I have created one EC2 instance using Terraform. Okay, and I am going to the here in the AWS console and I made a lot of changes after logging, and I have added some tag, and by some case it's the configuration is stopped working and the things are not working properly. So what we can do, we can like use replace Terraform apply -replace command, and we can recreate the resources and with the same configuration. Okay, so suppose I am adding tag here, env, I am writing prod and add new tag, so team and payment. Okay, so let's save this. If we go to the tag now, we have two tags, right? Payment and prod. Environment is prod, team is payment, right? So what we can do, if okay, so we have terminal already open, so let's open the new terminal. So let's run Terraform init first. Then Terraform plan. Okay, why we are running plan here? To see is there any changes that Terraform is going to detect. Okay, so let's see it. As you can see, it's going to add tag environment and prod, right? So that is not required in our case, that we have added manually, and now it's going to add the tag in the Terraform configuration file as well if we run Terraform plan. Okay, so as you can see here, the tag all env prod and team payment, right? So what we can do, instead of, if we want to recreate the fresh resource and to avoid using whatever manual changes have been done, okay, so we want to roll back and if things are not working. So let's run terraform apply hyphen replace, okay, is equal to AWS underscore EC2, okay, sorry, AWS underscore instance, okay, and whatever name we have, wave, okay, what name we have given here, wave, right? So let's put double quotes here as well. Let's run terraform, enter here. So let's wait for few more seconds. As we can see here, AWS instance wave refreshing state, okay. As I want to recreate it, plan 1 to add, 0 to change, 1 to destroy, right? So what it will do, it will destroy this EC2 instance and it will create the fresh instance, okay, that will not have this tag, okay. So let me refresh this. So as you can see here, this instance is getting shut down, okay, and one instance will come up, okay. So let's go to the terminal. As you can see, the instance is getting destroyed it, okay, and one instance will also come up with the whatever configuration we have defined in the Terraform configuration file main.tf, right? So instance is still getting destroyed, so let's wait for few more seconds. Once it's destroyed this instance, as you can see, it's terminated, okay. Now what it will happen, now once one instance will get created, right? As you can see, now another instance got created, okay. And if I see here, do we have tag here as well? No, we don't have tag. The manual changes has been gone and we are able to create fresh EC2 instance with the whatever configuration we have defined in the Terraform, okay. So as you can see, first it's destroyed the EC2 instance and then it's recreated the EC2 instance using the replace flag. Whenever we run terraform apply hyphen replace flag, so first it will destroy the resource, then it will recreate it, okay. That is the main use case of Terraform Taint, and in the newer version it got replaced with the hyphen replace. So we have to use hyphen replace with terraform apply whenever we want to destroy any resource and we want to create the fresh resource using the Terraform configuration. So this is all about Terraform Taint. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any query, any confusion, then do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.